Good afternoon. Industrial application of robot. So robot is a machine which is programmable by computer capable of carrying out a complex series of action automatically. So robot can be guided by an external control device or the control may be embedded within. Robot may be constructed on a line of human form, but most robots are machine designed to perform a task with no regard to their aesthetics. So robotics develop a machines that can substitute for human and replicate a human actions. So robot can be used in many situations and for lots of purpose. But today many are used in the dangerous environments. Robot can take on any form, but some are made to resemble a human in appearance. So areas of applications of robot are outer space, military, industry, health service. So here the diagram is shown that the robots are used in hospital and healthcare. The anti-sore medical bed for the CO patient, the knee scanning robot. It is also used in the agriculture, underwater security and surveillance. So, industrial robot is a robot system which are used for manufacturing. The industrial robots are automated, programmable, and capable of movement on 3 or more axes. The typical application of robot include a welding, painting, assembly, assembly, pick and place for printed circuit board, packaging and labeling. The typical applications of robot include the welding, painting, assembly, disassembly, pick and place for printed circuit board, that is PCB, packaging and labeling, palletizing, product inspection and testing, all accomplished with high endurance, speed and precision, and they can assist in material handling. So some of the application of the robots in industry are loading and unloading, such as arc welding, we have already seen it, repetitive work cycle, spot welding is also seen, painting is seen, in investment casting, integration of the parts, hazardous work environment for the humans. So the loading and unloading means what? Robots are extensively being utilized for the loading and unloading of machine and parts in the industries, thus substituting a human labor and other mechanical method. In repetitive work cycle, a second characteristic which tend to promote the use of robotics is repetitive work cycle. If the sequence of element in the cycle is same and the element consists of relatively a simple monitor, a robot is usually capable of performing the work cycle with a greater consistency and repeatability than a human worker. Then investment casting, it requires duplication, accuracy and uniformity in the production. all of which can be achieved with the employment of industrial robot. Integration of parts in various subsystems of production is an important application where robot can function more efficiently and with extra speed. So the assisting in increase of the production rate. So robots are being used for tightening of the bolt and nuts, placing of the components in circuit board and a variety of other similar tasks. So when the work environment is unsafe, unhealthful, hazardous, uncomfortable or otherwise unpleasant for human, then there is a reason to consider an industrial robot for the work. So material handling robot can automate some of most tedious, dull and unsafe tasks in production line and is one of the easiest way to add the automation. The material handling robot enhance the efficiency of the production line and increase the customer satisfaction by providing a quality product in a timely manner. The term material handling encompasses a wide variety of product movement, so part selection and transferring, palletizing, packing, and machine loading are just a few of the applications that are considered material handling. So when picking a material handling equipment for the facility, we should consider the payload and a speed requirement, end of arm tooling or grippers needed, the facility layout and a floor space, the type of material being handled and any additional possible production problem. So part transfer, a dull and tedious process, can also be injury product inducing to human worker. By adding a robot to this job, human worker are kept free of the hazardous environment. Also, the packaging robots are extremely flexible and easy to integrate into a workspace. Some of the advantages of packaging robot include a reduced part package time, ability to lift a larger packages and a labor cost reduction. So with the right end of arm tooling, a robot can complete any packaging process. So there is a large variety of robot size, mounting options and payload and reach available to choose from. Palletizing robot can be seen in many industries, which includes food processing, manufacturing and shipping. The machine loading robot not only increase the production speed but it also protect a worker from injury. Then die casting. Plastic molding is the robot application which is similar to the die casting. The robot is used to unload a molded parts from the injection molding machine. The robot die casting, here the robot unloads the part from the die casting machine. Peripheral operations sometimes performed by a robot, which include dipping the part into a water bath for cooling. Then machining operations. So these are the industrial applications. The machining operation, the robot is used to load the raw blank into a machine tool and upload the finished part from the machine. The change in shape and size of the part before and after machining often present a problem in the end detector design, and dual grippers are often used to deal with this issue. Next, press working. The human operator work at considerable risk in a sheet metal press working operations because of the action of press. The robots are used as a subtitles. Sorry, the robots are used as a substitute for the human worker to reduce the danger. So in these applications, the robot loads the blank into the press, and the stamping operation is performed, and the part falls out back of the machine into a container. So in a high production run, the press working operation can be mechanized by using a sheet metal coil instead of individual blank. These operations require neither human nor particulate to participate directly in the process. Then here treating, these are often relatively a simple operation in which the robot load or unload the parts from a furnace. The applications for the robotic assembly include the automotive component like pump, motor and gearbox. The computer and the consumer electronics are another excellent area. Also medical devices and household applications. The assembly robots are ideal for the task demanding speed and precision like applying a sealant and adhesive. So not only it can they put together the parts that are too small or intricate for a human, but they also work quickly and accurately without trying or making a mistake. So they are good in applications where cleanliness is paramount, like a pharmaceuticals and a medical device assembly, and they aren't like a carpal tunnel syndrome that come with a repetitive work. There are some advantages of industrial application robot in material handling and assembly, that is increased efficiency. So industrial robot can complete a certain task faster and more efficiently than human, as they are designed and built to perform them with higher accuracy. And this combined with the fact that they are used to automate a process which previously might have taken significantly more time and resource, result in the use of industrial robot to increase the efficiency of production line. Then improved quality. Given their higher level of accuracy, industrial robot can be used to produce higher quality products, which result in the reduction of time required for a quality control and ensure that the standard of quality. Also improved working environment. Some tasks are deemed to as a dangerous or the labor and repetitive for human to carry out, and so instead robots can perform these tasks. Then increased profitability. The result of introducing of industrial robot can ensure higher profitability level with lower cost per product, as by increasing the efficiency of the process. Then longer working hour. As human break in the working day are required, the distraction happen and the attention span low. So whereas the robot can work 24/7 and keep working at 100% efficiency. So on average, 40% increase in the output of production line occurs when one key person is replaced by a robot who operate the same working hour, simply because of the stamina. Also the robot don't take holiday or have a unexpected absence. There are some disadvantages: capital cost and expertise. So implementing industrial robot can offer a high capital cost, and they do prove highly effective and bring a positive. The initial setup of industrial robot require a lot of training and expertise as with any other type of technology, and this is because they are excellent for performing many tasks. Thank you.